Greeting fellow modelers, let us take a look at a unique kit. This time, it is the Kondor D.6, the prototype. Let's get into it. So here, you see a model from ORLIK, the Kondor D.6. It's a prototype from around 1918. It looks uniquely simple. It's 2020. I think it's the 7th kit available in 2020. It's a beautiful kit, no doubt about it. Catalog number 160, 133 scale. And what I love about it, as you look, is the high quality print, the sheen. Look at that. Beautiful standalone picture. Here, you can see the instruction. That is in Polish. But that shouldn't be a problem for us because you can see the diagrams, which are clear and crisp. The rudder pedal, and you can see that wire detail in there. The fuselage framework. You can see the engine build-up here below. You can see that's a cross-section of the engine. And looking across here, you see the available cowling type. There are two types of cowling. I like that. I like this one more. But you have two options here that you can use. Brilliant. And then the wing strut, the stabilizer bar, how that stay through the prop hub and the propeller blades themselves. The wheel, and you see the section of the wheel. Nice. And then the rigging detail. Not bad, not bad. Quite liking it. This kit is, like I said, barely 3 years old as of date of this. This one I got from ORLIK, and it actually cost me a little over $5 USD. Look at that beautiful finish and look at that sheen. This represents the metal cowling at the front. Lovely. High quality print. This makes a model highly desirable. And here we have the engine cylinders. Look at that. Even an extra one in case we mess up. We got a spare. And of course, you look and you see the SWAT. That's just below. Beautiful. You can see the thickness here. That's about a 140, 150 gram, somewhere around there. Center of the booklet. And now, same 150 gram sheet. We see the other side. Now look at that. We have the fin. We have the instrument panel. Lovely fuselage detail. Really nice. I'm trying to see if you could see the quality print, the sheen on it. The seating, and then of course the edge of the cockpit entrance. And here is a swatch. So in case you make a mistake, that's for the underside. You can just cut and match, and that's for the rest of the pattern. Please remind me, what is it called? Lozenge. There is the prop hub. And it says more or less, don't clip off until you have finished building the spinner. Lovely. This is a framework that's used to make sure that the model is stiffened. There are the wire template details. You see, the thing about the kit, when you look at it, it's something to behold. It's just really clean. It's just really neat. Look at the airfoil. So of course, these now, that's a cockpit flooring. Let me show you what it looks like in the beginning. You see that? Here it is in the diagram below. Look at that. There. That's a base. And that is here. And you see the instrument panel? That. Looking across at the other side, you can see the profile, the top view, the underside, and look at that. That area, cockpit, engine calling, and then the basic instructions, Polish, English. So you're good to go. So the different symbols and their meaning. So overall, I really love the look of this kit. Even the cover here showing the other available models from ORLIK, it's a pretty decent looking kit. I can't wait to build this one. So the cost is approximately $5.10 US. The shipping is what you will have to pay attention to. So buy different models in bulk so you make one-time shipping. And you can also get the laser framework for this so it makes your job less strenuous. So until then, my friends, take care, walk good, one love.